You're interested in joining Trident TV. There's one reason you should. It's because I'm in it. That feeds my ego.
By taking this elective, you will learn filming, editing, pushing random buttons to create a broadcast, and talking in front of a camera or people, possibly Mr. Hill.
That was easy.
It won't be easy. The 3 areas of interest are anchoring, producing, and editing and filming.
An anchor is the person who gives the announcements live on air. Exhibit A, me. Exhibit B, Emmett Eilers. Exhibit C, Jack Edelhauser. And Exhibit D, Unwed. Hi, I'm Ivy Hollander. Producing is when you, you stream the shows and you click on all these nifty little buttons right here. It's very technical. Go live!
Whoa, we're on the air.
And we're on the air!
Filmmaking editing are pretty self-explanatory. Here you'll learn Premiere, Final Cut, and even iMovie.
We're also looking for someone to manage our social media, i.e. our Instagram, Twitter, and yes, our TikTok. It's terrible.
There are many videos that we make that are hidden from the CDM community, and the only way to see them is to join this class.
If you are driven and passionate, then you are a perfect member for Trident TV.
Trident TV is not affiliated with ASB.
Another reason to join is so that you can
Alright, the keys.
annoy Ms. Ybarra.
Info meetings are March 14th and 15th, and you must attend at least one to join Trident TV.
If you are a driven and passionate student, join Trident TV. No slackers, plus you get to work with me.